Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to draw a box on Tradingview. Okay, so to draw a box on Tradingview, the first step obviously is to open up your Tradingview chart. Once you have your Tradingview chart opened up, just click right here and you would see click right here, okay, and you see the rectangle. Okay, so that's actually how you draw a box on Tradingview. Once you select the rectangle tool, you can place it anywhere. Let's say here, and then you can draw a box around this section. You can click on that again and draw a box in random places. You can also edit this box by clicking on the edges. Once you click on an edge, this will pop up and you can edit the box. You can edit the thickness, you can edit the color inside the box, you can edit the edges by clicking here. You can also remove the box by clicking on the remove icon. So that's basically how to draw a box on Tradingview. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.